Roadblocks are being dismantled along the Ore-Benin highway in an exercise led by the Commissioner of Police in Ondo State, Oyemi Oyediran. Now, the exercise, which involved top police officers in the state, is sequel to the directive by the Inspector General of Police, Usman Alkali Baba, that all roadblocks be removed to allow easy flow of traffic. According to the CP, the aim is to ensure that the checkpoints do not become a nuisance to motorists and other road users.
The Inspector General of Police made it clear that Ore, Benin, Onitsha Road should be easy passage for travelers. We want visibility policing. We want our policemen to be on the road. But we don't want a situation whereby there will be problem to the road users. And this is the reason why we are on this road today. We have been able to put sanity into what is happening, and we shall continue with the grace of God. Please tell others that we will not tolerate indiscipline. Anybody who notices anything untoward on this road should please contact us.